Hey guys, how are you doing today now? So in this video I will train you how to install GNS3. You got it now. So GNS3 is a very useful and very comfortable and very good software. It's very good simulator in order to configure, in order to practice the CCNP labs or as well as CCIE labs as well. So I have already installed GNS3 here. First of all, I will delete it. I'll go to my control panel, and from there I will go to my program and features. From here I will delete my GNS3. With GNS3 I will delete Wireshark because they will by default install built-in features. They will install. I will uninstall it. With Wireshark I'll install WinCap as well. Now I'll do next and finish. Now I will remove WinCap from my Windows. Do it yes, and I'll do it uninstall now. Do it finish. Now I have removed them. I will remove GNS3 now. So I will do an install here. Do it yes. After completing this uninstallation, then I'll install GNS3 again. I have removed successfully. Do close it. Now I'll go to my C drive and I will remove one more thing. In the users I will go to my administrator account, and I will from my administrator account I'll go to my GNS3, and in the images I'll remove this iOS image of the router. Now I'll close it. Now I will let you know how to install it again. I'll open my folder in GNS3. This is my iOS image and this is my software. I'll open my software. I'll double click on it. It's very easy. You will just accept all the terms and conditions and you will successfully install GNS3. Do it yes and agree. Next, I agree. Next, install. Do it next. Now do it, I agree. Install now. So it's installing WinCap. It's finishing. Now it will install Wireshark as well during its process. You will just accept that and that would be automatically installed. Now you can see Wireshark. Do next, I agree. Next, and install. After that it will take few seconds. Now then this installation will be completed. Now you can see it's installing. It's almost complete. Now it will take a few seconds more. After that your GNS installation would be continue automatically. So now Wireshark installation is completed. Now it's installing GNS3 automatically. After completing this installation, you will see the interface of GNS3 here. And once this will be completed, then I will let you know how you can run the GNS3 iOS images, how you can import in your router. It's almost completed now. And if you want to register your GNS3 software with your email, then you can give this email here. But the benefit would be is you will get the updates. But I won't register here. I will do it next. I will leave it empty because I don't want to any further updates. So are you sure you don't want to sign up? Yes, I'm sure. I don't want to sign up here. Do it next and do it finish. Now within few seconds you will see the interface of the GNS3 here. I'll do it close now and GNS3 will be opened here. I will do it close. I will let you know how you can set up GNS3 inside the software. You can see this is your GNS3 software. You will click on the routers. You will see they are not clickable. All are the gray, not green. You cannot drag and drop. You cannot use. How you can use the router? You need to add the iOS images. You need to install iOS images in the software manually for each router. For example, I will import one iOS images here. That would be 3600 series. How you can do that? It's very easy. I will do minimize the software and do back here. This is iOS image I have shown you in this folder. I'll do copy here, do close it, and I will go to my C drive. In the C drive I will go to my users, and from the user I'll go to my administrator account, which is GPM. It's my administrator account. Here I will go to my software GNS3 and I will open the images folder. Here I will paste my iOS image here. So now I have pasted here successfully. I will close it now and I will go to my software. Now how you can install the iOS images. I'll go to edit button. From edit I'll go to preferences. First of all I will check the running, uh, it's running well or not with my Windows. I will go to my dynamics. I will click on the test settings here. It will take few seconds. After few seconds you will see the update here. Okay, you will see the notification. Now you can see it successfully started. It's me and my Windows is suitable for the software. I will click on apply and click on OK. Now the second step, now I will install my iOS images here. How you can do that, I'll go to the edit button here again and I will click on the iOS images and hypervisors here. Here you will import your image. How to import, you will click on this three dotted button which is image file. It will take me to the direct that place where I have pasted my image here. Now this is my image. I will select it and I will open it. It has been added there. I will click on the auto calculation because this is the heavy software. It will make it sufficient for this window, so it will take few seconds again. It can take 1 minute approximately, or it can take 30 to 40 seconds. After a little time you will see it's 100% will be completed and you will be able to use your software GNS3. You would be able to use 3600 series router in this simulator. This simulator is very great and very amazing things. You will see, you will really enjoy your practicing in the software. Now you can see idle PC value has been found. I'll do close it now, and don't forget to save. Click on the save button, then you close it. Now you can see, you can go to the router bar, you can open this bar, and here in this bar you will see one router is able to use, which is 3600 series. We have imported that image. You can drag and drop here. So this is your router. Now you can drag and drop the routers and you can practice the labs. So this is very easy how to install GNS3. Now see you in the next video.